Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry for you today, and this is number 37. And it is coming from Debbie Nevins. So let's get into this. I already cut the tapes and opened up the flap just to not struggle with it on camera. Oh, look at this. She's got that little angel hair, very fine angel hair kind of shred. Look at that. Ooh, I like it. All right, so let's see what she, oh my God, look at this. It says, happy birthday, Eileen. Actually, I think it was supposed to stay on the box, but I think because the heat and all, it just, you know, but it's so beautiful. If I had opened the box with this on, this is what it looked like. Isn't that cute? She must have that little alpha punch thing from We Are Memory Keepers. Super cute. And she's got these bling hearts and this resin flower, purple flower. Look at those blings, guys. Look at the bow right there. And then there's the flower. And then here's the heart. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Debbie. That is so cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna put it on this side just so I can pull it out. Look at those confettis. Oh my gosh. So much fun. So crazy. Oh my gosh, where do I put it? Where do I put you? Confetti. Oh, I know. Goes in my birthday can, my birthday jar. So I take a little bit of everything that everybody sends me, and I'm putting it all in here. So this is my birthday jar. All that fun stuff. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, let's take this out, guys. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, trying to be quiet because the boy has some school. He's still doing classes. And this was tied with beautiful twine. Oh my goodness. And then, let's see. Oh my gosh, is this your Memory Dex card? I'm not opening that. Nope, I'm saving that. Let's save it to the end. So let's grab this. Look at, I'm just seeing what's right here on top. And this is beautiful. Purple. I saw some of the ladies with this dye, and it's pleather. She used pleather, the leather, faux leather from the, I don't know, I'm not going to say Hobby Lobby. It might not be from Hobby Lobby, but this color is gorgeous, along with the lavender colors. And then she has a little dangle right here. She used a lobster clasp. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all this beautiful blingy bling. This is beautiful with her bead caps. Oh my gosh. And then she has this little rhinestone right here, and I think this is a snap. I don't know, what do you think? There's a little heart right here. It is a snap, guys. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh, let's get into it. Oh yes, it is a snap. Look. So this is a brad, and she punched a hole. She's got the little glitter that does not come off. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. And let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. Let's show this first. So there's that fancy wallet. This is a die. Has a little gusset right there. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at her tassel. Holy smokes. That is like glittered leather. So pretty. She's got purple beads up here on the top. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I would just be happy with that. Just because. And then to top it off, she has vellum butterflies. Oh, this is beautiful. And they're multi-layered, guys. There's more than one. And then they're mounted on a laminated like glitter. Looks like glitter that she has there. That is so beautiful. How do I show? There you go. That is beautiful. Thank you so much, Debbie. Let's see this little one right here. And look at this paper. Oh my gosh. I like anything foily, shiny, blingy. What girl doesn't, right? Oh, that is a gorgeous presentation. Look at that. And it's double-sided paper, so it just finishes the whole look. She even has some clusters in here. Look at that. Are you serious? This is itty bitty. Oh my god, I love it. This is gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so in love with it. I love, 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 love itty bitty rosettes. Oh my gosh. Devi, you don't know who Devi Love is? You guys need to go check her out. But apparently, whoops, Debbie also does it. Ooh, look at that. She mounted this one on some clear circle punch. So the back is clear, and then you have all the gorgeous sequin mix in there. Whoops. I mean, this is beautiful. And then she also has more itty bitty clusters of these little sequins in here. Just can't get my fingers on it. This one is on a giant sequin. So that's the back, and then she's just poured on this little glitters, I mean not glitter, but sequin mix on top. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And then just more of the purple confettis. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. This box is gorgeous. Every little bit of it, even the little sequins. Oh my gosh, I think Anna Serenity Creates, that was just a beautiful idea. I don't know if she's the original creator, but you know, whew, inspiration is everywhere. And then this one right here, what could this be? Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, look at her sequin mix, you guys. Oh, I love it. There's iridescent, there's glitter sequins, there's hearts, there's butterflies, beautiful purples. Oh my gosh, purples and magentas and blue. There's even a freaking miniature peppermint in there, purple and white. Oh my gosh, what a gorgeous mix. Thank you so much, Debbie. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, she did a loaded heart. Are you serious right now? Let me show you this. You see this? This was one of the first paper projects I learned to make from YouTube. Just this folded heart pocket. That's what it looks like from the back. And then she filled it with her gorgeous flowers. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. That navy blue. Oh my goodness. Look at this gorgeous. This camera is not going to do any of these flowers any justice. But these are so beautiful in person. There's a glitter navy. Oh my gosh. With these teeniest, tiniest circle gold balls, foam balls. There's multiple layers here, guys. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work. So beautiful. Thank you so very much, girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just gorgeous. I love every single piece. Now let's get into her Memory Decks card, because I believe it's going to be just as gorgeous as everything else, and it is. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my gosh, sparkle and shine. She did a shaker. Oh my gosh, and this sucker is full. This is a full shaker. Oh my gosh. She's got this gorgeous trim right here. It's Chinese braid, I think. And there's little touches of Nuvo drops, glitter Nuvo drops, I guess. And this beautiful paper right here, rosette. Underneath it is a tulle rosette. Oh my God, beautiful. And then she has a heart right here. These are ephemeras and this beautiful swan. A lot of Nuvo, guys. This is Nuvo drops right here and here on the flower. And then I think these are stickles on her beak and her crown. And I think this is, I just got it. I just got the, what is this called? Wink Estella. She sparkled up our swan right there. I don't even know if you can see the sparkle on that swan. And it says, only do what your heart tells you. This is gorgeous. Princess Diana. Oh my gosh. Let's see her info, and I'll link all her information. Handmade with Love by Debbie. Hannah Craft Designs. It's our Debbie. Oh my God. Yes, I am definitely going to put all her info. It says, Eileen, thank you for all the inspiration and the laughs. You are such a gift. Love, Debbie. Favorite color is pink and green and all things that sparkle and glitter. Yes. P.S. My first memory decks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And then the card in the back says, you are magic. No. You are made of fairy dust and magical things. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Debbie. Girl, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll make sure I put all her info down below. Let me try. I'm trying not to show all her info there. But yes, girl, you are entry number 37. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love every single bit of this. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Debbie. I'll leave all her info down below. Please go check her out, subscribe, and follow her on Instagram, guys. You can see how talented this lady is. Just beautiful color combinations and her extra attention to details and stuff. It's just, oh, magic. Thank you, Debbie, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.